In this video, I'm going to show you how to remotely monitor your Jingle Miner mining rig. So this one here is the Jingle Miner Hashcard Magic Miner. Now with the other miners, you may need to do some updates, but what I'll do is I'll show you how you can actually get your miner connected. So firstly, what you got to do is make sure your miner is on, and then what you'll do is you'll see on the screen here, it will show the IP address. It's that address just there. That IP address you need to type into your phone or computer, whatever's on the same network. So I'll just grab the phone here. And then we have to type in that IP address. So this firstly will bring up the details of the miner. Now as you can see, I've already typed mine in previously, so it'll be there ready to go. And there we go, so I've got all the stats for the miner here. Now to get to the remote monitoring, we'll go to remote monitor, and then you'll see the details here. So yours will be different. So you'll have a device UUID and a device secret. And then the next thing you have to do is to go to the Jingle Miner website. So I've got that one just here. Let's close that one down. Now it says to add a miner. So obviously you'll need to log in. Luckily enough, if you go back to this page here, it will say simply sign in. If you click that sign in, it will take you to the page where you have to sign in. You either sign in or make an account if you haven't done so already, and then we'll go to add miner. So what you can see here is it's got the device UUID and then the secret. So you've got to paste those in the corresponding order. Firstly, we'll get the device UUID. Scroll back. Paste that in, then we'll go and get the secret. So and the secret here, device secret, copy that, scroll back, and then paste that in. And then what we need to do is just click bind device, and hopefully, as you can see here, now it is connected. So you can see remotely, so you don't have to be on your home network or at your house. Obviously the device has to be on and running and connected to an internet connection, but you can be anywhere on your phone or Wi-Fi somewhere else, and it will show you all the details on what's actually happening with your miner. Power consumptions, all that. Where I can see, it doesn't give you the options to change anything, but at least you can monitor it remotely to make sure that it is doing what it needs to. Anyway, that's today's video on how to set up the remote mining of the Jingle Miner Magic Miner. If you want to collect one of these Jingle Miner Magic Miners yourself, you can purchase it through the links that I'll leave below in the description, and you also save some additional money if you use the discount codes. Anyway, that's it for today's video, and thanks for watching.